We are now in the Lightbead packaging workshop. Bonder working procedure. Its function is to fix the chip into the LAN bead bracket. In actual production, we will choose the size, model, and brand of the chip according to the data demand of the LAN bead. In order to achieve the best match, take our high lighting efficiency products as example. The high data LAN bead requires the chip with a larger size. Now what in my hand is gold wire, 9999 pure gold, with higher purity than gold objects in our life. The row of machines by my side is going to weld the gold wire in my hand into the LAN bead bracket. Compared with alloy wire, gold wire has better electrical conductivity, also can better holding up the damage caused by cold and hot shock, guaranteeing the stability of the light bead. This is the dispensing glue workshop. There are two different dispensing glue technologies in the workshop. One is ordinary light bead dispensing glue. The other is COF dispensing glue. The two technologies are very different in nature. What we see now is the COF technology. Its dispensing method is pulling the silver light powder out in a row to cover the chip and resistor on the circuit board as a whole. Due to the removal of the bracket and gold wire, the COF luminous density is higher, which solves the problem of luminescence granular sensation in conventional light belt. Here is the COF production workshop. This is a bonder, which is very different from the bonder of light bead bracket we saw before. The chip and resistor is fixed directly to the circuit board. There are two advantages of such treatment. First, there is no light spot and granular sensation. Second, in the absence of gold wire, even if subjected to intense heat and cold shock, there will be no problem of breaking the inner wire of the light bead. So the product has a more reliable use guarantee. This is the Lightbead Spectral Workshop, also known as the Beam Workshop. Now what beside me is spectrometer, which is used to light up each LAN bead and position the optical coordinates. By grading and distinguishing the light beads with different coordinates, each grid is a beam area, which ensures the consistency of the color of the LAN beads in the same beam area. Now we can see 4 cells on the screen, and each black spot in the cells represents a light bead. For these 4 cells, we only use 2 in the middle, namely 2 beam areas, so that the color tolerance of 2 adjacent beam areas will not be greater than 2, ensuring the color consistency of the final light source products. In addition, our colors customers will have an exclusive beam area, and there is a customer file inside the company. As long as customers place orders, they will use the default beam, which solves the problem of color difference and avoids the inconsistency of placing orders before or after. This is the SMT workshop of Lightbound. Have you seen the mounter behind me? It is an important Hitachi high-speed mounter, which is matched with an automatic plate brush machine to realize the high-speed automatic production of production line. This Hitachi mounter has an advantage, whose SMT gripper is the same plate grab that can avoid the mixed material caused by traditional multi-plate grab, and further guarantee the product color consistency. For similar high-speed mounter and automatic plate brush machine, there are 9 groups behind me, which ensure our daily production capacity of 4kk. This is the detection procedure after reflow soldering. The detection method is full inspection. Now we can see that what we are doing is pressing the plate to light up. We can detect whether the light bead has LED damage, broken lamp, color difference, and other problems. This is the quality inspection position, which has many functions. Among them, the inspection and confirmation of the first part of the order is particularly important. Each order will produce a first part, and the order will not be mass-produced until the first part is confirmed to meet the requirements of the order and signed by the quality inspector. This area is a material area in the SMT workshop, which include 2 two parts at present. One is the resistor area on my right-hand side where you can see the densely packed reels on the shelf. Let's take any of them to have a look. According to the order requirements, the company will use resistors with different resistance values to match the corresponding light beads, and finally meet customers' customized requirements for the light source. This is another part of the material area, steel mesh placement area. Steel mesh is the automatic plate brush machine we saw before, which is used when brushing solder paste. A steel mesh represents a model. You can know there are a lot of product models for colors. Now we see the factory 2 of colors, that is, the profile factory. The forklift working area behind me is the raw material storage area for our profiles. Do you see these full shelves? Multiple models of lighting products of colors are displayed here. The product models you can see in our album are only 1/3 of those here. Many other product models are customized by customers and are not on the album. This also proves that our company is a highly customized linear lighting brand. On the other side, depending on different corner cuts, you can combine into various angle shapes such as hexagon and Y-type, and is the luminous component within 90 degrees joined by two 45-degree corner cuts, which is customized by the customer. We are now in the finished products area of linear lights. You can see that our colleagues behind us are loading and unloading the goods on the shelves. From here on, Colors products will be sent to our cooperative partners all around the world, who will finally use the product to design and create a unique linear lighting space.